Good morning. It's Tuesday. Had a change out yesterday, so I got a couple calls today. I got a couple, I got about 5 actually. So depending on how the calls come, how they turn out, what the diagnosis is, if they're simple diagnostics, then I'm gonna just put them all on one video. But if they're pretty good, if it's a pretty good issue that we can go in detail with, I'll probably make individual videos.
We did everything they asked us to do on the phone.
Okay.
I got brand new filters in there. I don't know what is going on.
Okay. So, all right. So, looks like we got a zone system. So I did turn on this thermostat, which is the upstairs. So this is only for the upstairs, but I touched the line and it's real hot. Like if it's on heat mode, both of these are. And I got these things set to cool. So let's see what we find. I don't know how both of them, they're two separate systems, are both doing the same issue. Might be thermostat related. Only thing that sucks about today is that it's raining. Could be worse though. Could be a storm. So we got a call from Y to C, obviously, so let's check. See the reversing valve? No call. $200 is on 1. It's supposed to be on 2. So that's what's going on. 218. Reversing valve. Okay, so that's what's going on. Something's reset the thermostat. So you said this happened whenever you had a storm?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think I know what's going on. I think it's just the thermostat. So it looks like it's gonna be a simple call. Okay, so it just came on. Just going. I heard the reversing valve kick in, so pretty sure it's on cool mode now. Just gonna confirm. So Y to C, we got 24 volts. Orange to C, we got 24 volts. So we are good. Okay guys, so that was a simple call, but I have 4 calls here total. So I'm done with that one. I have 3 more. They're all in this area. So I'm starting to think that, I don't know, she said that that happened after the storm, so I wonder if I'm gonna run into the same issues. So we'll see. Check it out. 1 minute away. Okay. As you can see, no AC. This one's a little different. He said that the unit has not been working since April. So I mean, we are in April, but I mean April 1st. I noticed the fan wasn't on, so let's see what we run into. Check that out. Alright, zone board is not lit up. So let's see. Where's that fuse? Where's that fuse at? Yeah, this is for sure a new transformer, and there's no fuse here. They just bypassed the fuse. I don't know why this thing sometimes. Now it stopped doing it, but it was clicking. So I'm gonna check my 24 volts here. Not getting anything. Why am I getting 0? Hey guys, this one took me forever, but I think I found out right here. So this is live right now. So I don't want to touch anything. I wasn't getting 240 here at first. I started messing with this plug. I think that's the issue. So I got it wired right there. Now we are getting the 24 volts. So something between here and here was loose. Okay guys, so I went ahead and added, I don't know if I'm tripping or what, but I went ahead and added this inline fuse. I'm gonna go ahead and put this fuse popper on there just in case there's a short or something. So this thing is flashing. Go ahead and put it on test mode. Okay guys, so we're headed to the next one. I don't know what that one, I was not getting high voltage, so we'll blame it on that loose plug, loose connection in the plug. Oh well, another easy one, but kind of weird one. So we are a minute away from the other one. It's 735. So this is like a neighborhood, like these townhomes. Okay.
And so like it's upstairs, it's like 80 degrees or something.
Okay.
Little...
So it's the thermostat that corresponds to upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, so it's off. Let's put it on cool. Okay, so this is it right here. That's the zone system. That's the one that is working. This company just wants us to always get pictures of everything. Okay guys, so it's still not on. This is the other one. Can't tell if the green is off or not. If the green is off and the red is solid, that indicates that it's a low pressure switch. That's what the door says. So this is the low and it's closed. Let's check the high. So we're good. All right, let's check the Y out. Okay, so I don't have no voltage coming out. I do have voltage coming in. All right, still can't tell. Let's see if they're both solid. What does that indicate? So on, circuit board failure. And if the red one is on and the green one is, if the red one is on, the green one is off. Low pressure lockout. And if they're both on, circuit board failure. So let's see if I can reset this thing. But before I do that, I'm gonna get these locking caps off. Okay, these are standing pressures. Okay, so these are my pressures and my subcooling superheat after about 6 minutes in, 5 or 6 minutes in. We're gonna let this thing sit for a minute, and I don't know what caused it to go on low pressure lockout. Now that I'm looking at this green light blink, it wasn't on before, but the red light was solid. So that, according to this, that indicates low pressure. Low pressure lockout when the red is on and the green is off. So bad board maybe, or they possibly changed the filter. I don't know. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but everything looks okay. 11 degrees subcool, 14 degrees super, 11 degrees superheat, 14 degrees subcool. Subcool is probably a little bit overcharged, probably not overcharged, but I don't know, guys. Okay, guys, we're at our final service call in this neighborhood. We did 4 here, so let's see what this one is about. Oh my goodness.
So I don't know what's going on. We changed the filter just the other day.
Okay.
And after we changed the filter, it seems like it's when we started having issues, because we've never had no issue before.
Okay. So it's 5:08. Man, that took a while on my last call. It was a crazy call. I don't think it's gonna be on this video because it was good enough for it to be one video, you know what I mean? So right now we're going to replace a defrost board that I did not diagnose. This is for another company that I work for. I personally know him. I know the owner, so I work for him. But he had somebody else diagnose it, so he said if I could just replace it, that will be good to go. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. It's 5:09. I don't even think I'm gonna check anything else, if I'm being honest. I think I'm just gonna replace it. He already diagnosed it. I'll just check the pressures once it's on, or if he bypassed it, that means pressure should be good. So we'll see what it is when we get there. Okay, so we here. Just wanted to show y'all so y'all won't think I ain't trying to diagnose nothing and just change it. So he just said he had called me before. He said it's 2 defrost board, but I'm in Dallas right now. The one in Rome got rescheduled, so it's a defrost board for a Linux. What a surprise. Hey, don't seem like it's doing too well. So, you know, I got curious. These pressures, that is crazy low. Wow, talk about low. 0 subcool, 25 superheat. Alright, we'll let him know what we found. And I'll go ahead and replace the board. Runs your room.
The rest of the house.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay, I'll take a look at it. And I'll put what I found. But yeah, he just gave me this. Came out. Did he come out when it was on a hot day? Yeah. See if this coil is frozen. Oh, what? Oh, wow, there's another filter in there. I just don't understand how the other guy ain't catch it. Wow. So it's frozen.
The wireless.
Okay, guys, so that coil is frozen. He doesn't answer the phone. It's 6:34. Of course, he don't answer the phone. So I'll just tell him exactly what I found on the notes, and we'll let either I come back or the previous guy that came out here come back. So okay, so we finished that quick little call. It was a quick little call since we didn't diagnose it. Got one more call, ladies and gentlemen. It is 6:50. So 6:50, I am 16 minutes away. Okay, so we're here. Oh, see some water here. This pump, the safety is wired in. So we're gonna test that pump out. See if it's getting anything. Okay, this is the one outside with the pump. And it seems like they got the upstairs drain going to that pump as well. I don't know why, if it's in the attic, but it was wet, but let's clean everything out anyways and make sure it pumps out. Okay, so we ensured that this was clear. We vacuumed it out. I also cut that PVC a little bit so I can have some more fall. Now let's turn this thing on. Okay, so far these are the pressures. It's been about 3 to 5 minutes that it's been running. This is our suction, our pressure, high head pressure. This is our subcool, is our superheat. So nothing out of the ordinary as far as it being low to freeze, especially with a subcool like this. So we're gonna let this thing sit and try to figure out why it's causing that water down there in that pan. So she had sent me a picture. This was on Sunday, I think. She said it's coming from the pipe circle in red. So she was saying it was leaking here. So unless this thing is backed up inside and that vacuum, when I pulled the vacuum here, didn't get it, you know, we'll see. I doubt we have a cracked pan. Currently waiting for this thing to leak. But check this out, guys. This is from the water heater. It's a high efficiency water heater. This is probably what's leaking. This is going into the pan. I don't know why it's just there. Yeah, because the coil is not freezing. It's at 36. Subcool is good. Superheat is good. All right. It's 7:55. Been here for a while. This thing is not leaking here. I see the water coming down. I want to blame it on that, or maybe this was backed up right here by the male fitting. When I vacuumed it, it came out. So I'm going. Oh boy. It's 7:13. I'm sorry, it's 8:14. So I'm about to head out. I'm about to head out. My wife's birthday tomorrow, so I gotta buy her something. Cause I got 3 or 4 calls tomorrow, so I gotta go ahead buy her something so I can leave her a little surprise in the morning. Ciao! All right, folks. God bless everybody. Thank you for watching.